Hey people, so this is a special video because my son is holding one rabbit near his hands. Show me Ayush. And the one is walking near his butt. So this is our most favorite rabbit, is it?
Yeah.
Both are almost similar color except this is slightly, no, this is Jasper.
Oh, that's Junior.
Oh, this is Junior.
See, this is Jasper.
Jasper is the slightly lighter grey one. And it's just years later we'll feel happy when we see these videos. And it's a commitment, yeah, to look after these animals. Ayush, which is your favorite rabbit? Juju. Jasper was your favorite, right? Why is Jasper no longer favorite?
He's not that cute. And also, he always runs away.
Yeah. Now these grey rabbits are cuter than the white rabbits, yeah. It's just so cute. Should we take the white rabbits? They are asleep, I think.
Hey, the Jamie's climbing.
Yeah, exactly. Oh ma. It's just so cute. So on that note, thanks for watching
Please subscribe.
and please subscribe.